Today, while attempting to attend a car show at Margaritaville and located in Kissimmee, Florida, they had cones blocked off the street where you can't get in the area with a vehicle. It said pedestrians only. Now, I'm disabled, elderly. I ride a two-wheel scooter to help me with my mobility since I have issues walking, and I'm legally disabled. This gentleman here, when I rode up, he stopped me. He said, pedestrians only. He said, I can't have the scooter in there. I explained to him that this was my mobility device and I'm disabled. He looked at me and shook his head. He said, no, you're not. Prove it. I then got my phone out and started recording. You have your supervisor? Since you're saying I'm not disabled and you want to see proof I'm disabled, you want to get your supervisor now? Or do you want a lawsuit? And here's a recording, and this other lady he walks away and never comes back. I asked for a supervisor. You heard that conversation, right?
I wasn't here.
I know, but you heard what I told him. And that gentleman in the green shirt and white blouse, white shirt. I think I need a supervisor for that person. I don't know their name, so I'll call them Mr. and Mrs. Karen. Yeah, he said I gotta walk. I'm disabled. This is my mobility device.
Yeah, but there's signs everywhere.
Okay, again, I'm disabled. This is my mobility device.
You got the right to write it, but in the back, not in here.
So you don't let disabled people on mobility devices in here?
We have disabled people, but
do you have a supervisor?
Yeah.
Can you get your supervisor?
No, it's not here now.
So there's a lady here with GDI Security. How do I get? What company are you with? To get the supervisor.
Yeah, I know, but
yeah, go ahead and call him. Go ahead. You all are going to be on YouTube.
I know. Yeah. I'm just a spectator. But
there's Mr. Karen wants to call the sheriff's department. I know. Okay.
When there's a car show here, this is all closed to the public.
Again. It's all closed to the public. Mr. Karen don't realize it's open to the public. Old man, shut up.
No, you
Excuse
shut
me,
up.
don't tell. Shut up and
shut up.
Leave before I call the cops.
Call him. Call your supervisor.
I need you to leave right now.
Call your supervisor.
No, I'm not calling my supervisor.
So they're telling me to leave because I'm disabled. Call your supervisor.
Could you call the police? Thank you.
Call your supervisor.
I'm not calling the supervisor.
Refuses to call the supervisor. The police did come, and they did end up trespassing him.
Becky, I called 911. I called the sheriff. He's calling too. Okay, you go call the sheriff, so you can do what you want.
Call whoever you call, the Pope for all I care.
Yes, there's a gentleman in front of Ford's Garage in Margaritaville.
Now this is GDI Security and Margaritaville. Because I'm disabled, they had called the police and trespassed me, an older senior trespassed me from Margaritaville. Your supervisor, since you're saying I'm not disabled. And then later on, my phone shut off. It was warm out and it was overheating. I did start it up again, and Mr. Karen, the wife there, Miss Karen, wanted to start in too. And I told them after the police were there, I told them, I told Mr. Karen to smile that he was going to be on YouTube. And Miss Karen said, I don't have the right to record her. I don't have her permission to record her. And I informed Miss Karen that I didn't care. She's being recorded anyway. And the police did go ahead and trespass a disabled person from the property. This is at Margaritaville in Kissimmee, Florida, and GDI Security. My phone stopped recording, but I seen this truck with a phone number on. This might be a better phone number to call instead of the one listed on there. And I started up this video again. So I'm going to start playing this. Might be a part I cut out, or not. I'll probably cut it out when the police officer takes my name and calls it name and some other personal information, and I'll remove that. And you can see the whole time throughout this whole process that Mr. Karen and Miss Karen are still there, are still lingering around here. You can see how they have it blocked off. And this all started because a young guy told me that I'm not disabled. To prove I'm disabled, then my scooter's okay. And nobody wanted to do anything except try and make me look like the asshole and the bad person. So because I'm disabled, I'm now trespassed. They called the police and told me never to come back there because I'm disabled, because they didn't like my mobility device. So here's the video. There's, I don't know who she is. I'll call her Miss B. My phone shut off because of overheating. And I guess I turned it the wrong way. I was quite upset during this whole interaction. And again, this is at Margaritaville in Kissimmee, Florida. There's Mr. Karen. There's Miss Karen. We're just waiting for the police to show up. I was hoping they'd contact their supervisor. But anyway, all I did was want to record video for the car show, because I understand it's a nice car show. That's Miss Karen. She keeps coming up for these papers. She'll come back again. Now, earlier he said he'd been there a whole bunch of times. Years. Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Karen's greeting people as they come in, I guess.
So, ma'am.
Yeah, I tried talking. Trying to get a supervisor.
Excuse me.
Walks past me and ignores me. Looks like an El Dorado. Is that right for that car to come in? Yeah, they're just being Karens. They don't work there.
Good morning. Hey, how you doing?
There's the sheriff.
I was doing good until I told. Well, you know, I rode the scooter up here, and a young kid said, he said, I can't have my scooter. I told him I was disabled. Okay? And he said, no, you're not. Prove it. Okay? This
And that's what
qualifies
started this whole
under
thing.
law. He went, security, he went that way. And then she comes in, then them old people come in, they want to call you, they say I'm harassing and everything else, and I'm recording. I said, once he said prove it, and that I'm not disabled, that's when I got my phone out, okay? Under the law, this is a mobility scooter. This qualifies as a mobility scooter. Evidently, they don't know it. All I did was ask them to get their supervisor. Maybe their supervisor could educate them. That's all, okay?
I see you recording now, though. Are you
Yes.
recording the cars going by?
I'm recording everything right now. As soon as he said,
I'm not even paying attention to where the phone is. I'm looking at the cop.
and accused me of not being disabled, okay? That's when I got the phone out, and I knew there was going to be problems.
Gotcha. Alright, so here's the deal. This is private property, right?
Yes.
You know that, right?
Yes.
So with private property, they can kick out whoever they want.
Yes. I understand that, but they can't use.
Trespass, okay?
Okay.
You know what a trespass is?
Don't come back. So they want me trespass.
Back, and if you come
Okay.
back and they want to press charges, you could go to jail for it.
Okay. So they want me trespass.
They want you trespass.
Okay. I'm a member of the pool too. So how they yeah. Island H2O.
They have Island
I'm a
H2O
season pass
swimming
holder
pool
for
there.
Gotcha.
Okay.
There's
your
Mr. and Mrs. Karen.
Yeah, but don't you have to tell me to leave first, or no?
Let me see your
Look at that nosy bastard.
Head you out of here, alright?
Let me ask you a question.
What's up?
Now, to trespass, I thought you have to tell me to leave. If I don't leave, then you give me a written thing, or no? You give me a written thing now.
It's a written thing now.
Okay.
and then-
All right.
They never gave me no written thing though.
Yeah, I'll give you my idea. No problem.
There he is.
So they're trespassing me because I'm disabled and I have a scooter. Yeah, they are.
Just arguing with them.
I'm not arguing. I just asked for their supervisor.
I wasn't here, man.
Right.
Go from what they said.
Oh, it's in this pocket.
There he asked me for ID.
Ugh. I think I'm facing the wrong way. Yeah.
City walks.
Yep. Yeah, and this is all got to be on there.
What is that? 5 city walks or
52.
52 city walks?
Yeah, this will all be on there.
I'm not even. This is my phone. I'm not even paying attention to what it's doing. I'm digging out my license to give to the cop.
Appreciate it, Brian.
No problem. So the kid accuses me of not being disabled and tells me to prove I'm disabled to him. And I'm getting, and they're trespassing me for it. That's my wife. No good, throw it away. You got a pen in your pocket?
65
That's right, I'll go back to the car. Maybe if I have that one.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this part out. He's reading my license number and stuff to them. Don't know if you can. Okay, I'm gonna cut that part where he read the license number and my date of birth out. It was just the date of birth I would have left in, but he read the driver's license number out too.
How fast does this thing go?
About 12, 15 miles per hour. Yeah, it's not made for, it's not.
I've seen people have they go like 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour.
Yeah, I have two of them. The other one goes, I think maybe 10 or 12. This one goes like 15, maybe 18. You can't take this one fast. Not because of the way the steering is. You hit, yeah. I don't ride it. I don't have it for that anyway. Like I said,
Easy to get around.
it's my mobility scooter.
I always went like those 40 miles per hour scooters. So take a car, you just take the scooter.
That's
Especially the gas prices.
yeah, but you hit a drain hole or a little hole.
That kind of like a motorcycle, though. You know, if you like motorcycles.
Yeah.
Oh, there's someone with a mobility scooter come down here.
When that guy called you, he definitely lied. When that gentleman in the green shirt called you, he definitely lied to 911 on the phone.
Meaning as what?
But there's different things he was saying. He said I was here harassing people. I have not harassed anybody, and I have video footage of that. I asked for their supervisor. If asking for a supervisor is harassing, then there's something wrong with that image.
There's something wrong with that man's mental status, I believe.
It's nothing big.
I understand, but their security, they
Mr.
don't own
Karen.
it. Wouldn't Island H2O have to have me trespass?
It's a different part from Margaritaville Island.
No,
H2O.
it's all one thing though.
To try to work it out, you have to go to the courthouse and work that out.
I'm not going to no courthouse.
You could call from your house.
You're telling me I go to the courthouse to
I'll say something
resolve
to the guy
it.
when I leave down there at the parking lot.
I'll just never go back. I'll wait for Island H2O. Not Island H2O, but I'll wait for Margaritaville and or the security company to contact me, which I doubt if they will. Unless I get help and this video gets shared and blown up. And I doubt
No,
it.
I stick up for my disability rights.
And
when
other
that kid
people's
said,
disability
"I'm not
rights. I don't want this
disabled,"
happening to
I have
anybody.
a problem with that. Who in their right mind says you're not disabled? Prove it. I mean, I'm like 5% from being 100% crippled, where I can't walk.
That's 100% true. My spinal cord's in critical stage right now. I just got another MRI about a month or so ago. Talking to surgeons right now. And injections for inflammation, trying to get rid of the inflammation around the spinal cord recently.
Something crude to somebody.
Don't cause problems. There's no need for it.
Hell, I just want to tell the old man in the green shirt something. Not you in the green shirt.
The cop had a green shirt on. And I did tell him. "20 years ago, I probably would have punched a guy in the nose."
Hey, I'll zoom in on you. Get a good picture. It don't matter. You're gonna be on YouTube
Said
anyway.
I don't have her permission.
You all three are gonna be YouTube stars.
All right, Randy. You're all good to go. Make sure we don't come back on property. All right, you are trespassed.
All right. What's the property here? I mean, what's considered the property right here? So,
Trespass in Margaritaville.
so, okay. So Island H2O and everything. All right. All right.
So there you have it. I'm trespassed because I'm disabled. Because the young kid said I'm not disabled, I should prove it to him.